He's like kids with power tools.
Oh my goodness! Hello and welcome back to the Car Throttle channel. I'm Alex.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Gareth.
And today we're going to do something that you've been banging on about for years, so I'll let you take it away.
We are going to truck cab the Omega.
To do the DIY conversion, we've been gifted an awesome array of power tools by our friends at Einhell. And these tools include an 18-volt cordless reciprocating saw and a 1050-watt corded reciprocating saw to cut A and B pillars, an 18-volt brushless angle grinder and a 230mm corded angle grinder for when the going gets really tough, a bunch of batteries and chargers, the daddy of all home welders, this TC GW190D that we'll be using in the second part of this build, and finally, 2 welding masks, welding reel, gloves and aprons. With all of this gear then, there is literally no job too big, and if you like the sound of that, then hit the link in the description for 10% off all the power tools we're using.
And the plan that we have, well, there is no plan.
We have a slight plan, a plan that we've hatched. So we're thinking of welding the doors on first and then hacking the roof off so it doesn't twist the chassis because we're on uneven ground. But your plan was to?
Forget all of that. We're going to hack it up, hope for the best, and then do the welding.
Please no.
I don't normally agree with Alex, but I think for dramatic effect, we need to just hack the roof off.
A minute ago you were so on board and I was so pleased you were here.
Yeah, I've changed my mind.
Now it's just like having 2 Alexes.
Here we go. First part of the puzzle, done. If anyone wants some lovely clean Omega spec carpet, then visit your nearest skip. We're halfway there, boys.
I can't even get the seats out.
Oh, weren't they stuck?
Yeah.
Must be a way of getting these out.
Maybe you're just not strong enough, Alex.
Shut up, that's a lie.
Do you think if we tear the roof off, the car will fold in half?
Yeah, I mean, you could just weld it first, right, and then do it.
Yeah, but what's the fun in that?
You're lifting the whole car up by that door card.
There we go. There we go.
It's coming apart quite nicely.
Grinding. Oh, now you just grind it off. Why do you want to grind it off?
Well, you just grind the window off.
Yes, Jack.
Can you give it a little tap that end? Have I missed a... Ah, tap, not a smash! Go on, get it off. Well, we missed some. We missed some little fellas
the window
there.
out.
Alex, come
I
on,
win.
you're better at destroying stuff than me.
Oh. Oh, Jack, look at you go. Right, Jack, what do we need to grind now? This bit?
Just hold fire on the grinding just for 2 seconds.
I can grind that, Gareth.
It's all right, we can take it out.
I've got something you can grind, mate.
And plus this way I get to nick all the fixings.
I'm going to take all the fixings individually and cut them in half.
Oh, this is a really thick bit of loom. Let's cut that.
Yeah, it just goes straight through.
Yeah.
Get it with the grinder.
Alex,
We can grind it.
no, we'll do something better. Actually, yeah, that was a good shot. Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
I think we can drill this out, drill that out. And that's the runners. And then we should be able to lift the window out without breaking it. That's what we're planning, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Because there's going to be glass literally everywhere.
Yeah. That would be a shame.
Well, we kept the window intact.
That's not how I would do it.
On your marks.
Oh! Don't worry, we can weld it. I built all this myself.
That's why it's falling apart.
Look, well, he got hit, didn't it, by a missile? Right, we have come a very long way, and now we need to stop talking and cut the roof off.
For once, I'm actually with Alex. Even though I said at the beginning, I didn't want to, but sorry, Jack.
We've used the Einhell angle grinder a hell of a lot. It's great, but I want to use a really big one because we need to get through the C-pillars. Right, so let's find our cutting point. I think, based on my calculations, we should cut maybe around here. So if you want to draw a nice straight line, bearing in mind this has just been detailed.
Perfect.
We won't quite follow that bit, but yeah, you get the idea. Basically, anywhere in between this point, I think we'll be golden.
We've got a large tolerance here. We just mark it out.
Oh.
How far did the seats go back is the next thing. So we've made 2 lines that sort of vaguely line up.
Well, we want to hope it's this one because else we're going to have a scratch in there. You set a seating position.
That'll be fine.
Okay, all right. Yeah, it. I mean, why measure it?
Jack, how's your vision of the truck cab there?
This would pass an MOT?
Horribly. It's like kids with power tools. Ruined. They've ruined it. My dream. 2 years wait for this.
What are you moaning about, Jack?
What? Well, let's just get this in line. You are about a foot out.
Whole bunch of wires there. We'll be all right there.
Yeah. That's done it. That stinks. Oh. Loads of sparks on film. Be fine.
Did I get him?
Oh, loads, yeah.
Good.
Be alright.
Mate, we're getting there.
This is really coming together. Wow.
That's really good.
That thing, it went through it in one.
Wow. Yes, we're through. Oh, very good. Oh my goodness. All right, the moment of truth. Pickup truck in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness.
We're snagging on the front here.
It's all right, just plow through it.
Just push.
Wait. We're on the sunroof. Oh my goodness.
I've run out of me.
I think we've got it.
Oh, I'm Hollywooding this.
Oh my God.
How much load can it take?
One Amiga roof done. Come and join us.
So this is quite structural for that.
Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at. Oh,
That's amazing.
It looks like a pickup truck now. Look at it.
Look how much space there is. There's so much space for hauling.
This is 100% structural. Jack, you got your dream.
This is it.
We truck cab something.
Should we see if we can banana it?
I think it's
I think it's all right.
I think it's
Yeah.
solid, yeah.
There's no way you can banana it. It will flex loads, but...
Oh,
look at that.
you can see bananaing.
Oh, just a little bit.
It'll be all right.
I'm happy.
I'm overjoyed. That's wicked.
Good work, Jack. Good. Right, so we spent a whole day cutting and grinding and making this into a bit of a ute, and I think we've actually come a long way. It was quicker than I expected, and I'm very happy with the outcome.
Yeah. I doubted your methods at first, Masters of Destruction, but seeing it like this, it's all manageable. I think it's good.
Yeah, there's a lot of flex, so we really have to add some sort of structural beams to this ute.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is next week, Gareth and I are going to get to work just prepping everything, cutting everything up, and then in the next episode we'll finish the ute up and then go for a bit of a drive and go and test it.
Yeah, good plan.
But for now, I think that job well done. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking that link and check out more videos down there. Right, everyone off, but very gently because this car's just going to fold in half. Jesus! Oh!